Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different animals with paper. So at first we are making a cat with a blue color paper. You can see how we have made the spring with the paper and we have made the face of the cat with it. Now we'll make the ears, tail and the legs. You can see how we have pasted the eyes and the cat is ready now. Now we'll make a bee. You can see one of them is kept on the table. We'll use a yellow and black color paper. We will roll it and we'll paste it with each other as shown in the video. We'll use a white color paper to make the wings of the bee, and you can see after making the legs, the bee is ready. We'll curl it from the below and this is completed. Now we will make a fish with the paper. We are using a yellow color paper to make the fish. We'll make a rectangular shape to the paper and next we'll make a fish out of it. You can see we are pasting the eyes and now we'll add the graphics. Now we'll make a beautiful bird with a paper. You can see we are making the body with a blue color paper, and after this we'll make the wings of the bird with different color paper. You can see we have made the bird body. Now we will use a green color paper to make the wings. You can see how we are cutting it to give the texture and make the bird look more beautiful. Your bird is ready now with the beautiful wings and the beautiful body. Now we'll make some prawns with a red color paper. We are using the red color paper to make the prawn. We'll make it a triangular shape and then we'll fold it from the bottom to make the snail. We are giving the folds to it. You can see we have given the texture to the prawn, and now we'll make the eyes after making the body. Next we'll make some fish. You can see how we have given the cuts to both the ends and we have pasted it to the between, and the fish is ready. It was very easy to make. Next we'll make a different kind of fish with different method. We have already made the body. Now we'll make the tail with different color paper. We're using again an orange color paper to make the body and the wings. You can see we have made the tail with different color papers. Next we'll make a dog with a blue color paper. You can see some of them are kept on the table. We'll fold it in the triangular shape to make the face of the dog. We have already made the ears. Now we'll put the eyes and the nose on the face. You can see we have done with the face. We'll put the eyes and then we'll make the nose. At last we'll make a frog with a green color paper. We have given the folds to it to make the body of the frog, and we have made the legs. You can see at last we will make the face with the pen. Thank you very much for watching the video.